Hi guys, welcome back. This is Cesar here at Puente Hyundai. Today we're making a video of the 360 camera view that's going to be exclusively on the 2020 Sonata Limited. Alright you guys, I'm going to be going over the 360 camera view right now. So what we're going to do is just engage the car into reverse. Alright, you're going to have a nice split screen here. As you can see, the bigger square is going to be our just reverse camera. You see on the right, that's going to be your view around the whole vehicle. And when you turn the steering wheel, these lines will turn with you as well, and they'll help you when you're parallel parking. Okay. Also, you have some other views that you can see on the side here. So if you were to tap the second one, it'll show you a top view down, so you can actually see how close you're getting to an object or to a wall. Also, you have the third one here, which is going to split the views. So that's going to be coming from your left rear view mirror and your right rear view mirror. You have a setting for the brightness and the contrast. And then you have another settings button here for actually what happens when you go into reverse. You'll be able to see the top view parking guidance, the rear view parking guidance, and also the parking distance warning, which would be your sensors. You have settings for the top view default and also from the front view default as well. And then if you were to switch the car into drive, you automatically have the front camera pointed outwards, and you'll be able to see if there's anything there as well. All right, folks, another thing that happens when you put the car in reverse is that your side view mirrors are going to be face down. And once you go ahead and put the car back in drive or park, the side mirrors will automatically go back to their adjusted spot. All right, you guys, thank you for joining us again here at Puente Hyundai. If you guys have any questions about the video you just seen or any of the other videos in the playlist, go ahead and comment. Also, I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe to our page, and we'll see you next time here at Puente Hyundai.